with the
Mossberg Plinkster.
Alright, Mossberg Plinkster. Let me get on them balloons, Bert, if you don't mind.
They're moving too. It's a moving target.
Alright, Bert, slap them balloons. Fire, fire, fire. You didn't hit shit.
And that's shit.
And that's shit.
And that's jack shit.
Alright, I'm going to take out some balloons with the little Plinkster.
Okay, let me get on them.
You let me know.
And we're on them.
I missed one.
Got two of them now.
Two.
Okay, we'll try and hit anything. We'll take anything.
Alright, let me get on that target there. And there we go.
I got the baking soda.
Got the baking soda.
I don't know if I got the balloon on the baking soda. That's what I was trying.
Plinkster.
Plinkster madness.
Okay. Anytime you're ready.
You're close, now you're high. Didn't hit shit. Can I try aiming, Bert?
Sure.
Ready?
Ready. There goes that. High, look like.
Didn't get it.